Poppy Playtime Chapter 4.
Is that you in there? Over here.
Long time no see.
Reconnaissance Report 12.15.04 Elevators, all shut, can't escape. Construction tunnels could lead on forever, easily lost inside. Probably has the same freezing traps that No Man's Land does. Can't do that to Doe, he's all that keeps us safe. Doctor knew that when he had them planted cell blocks north, the worst of the worst there. Doc uses that. Nowhere for us there east. Guard station and barriers appear intact, strictly within the doctor's control, and rabbits are everywhere, lost too many to them already. Northeast, the doors on all sides are barricaded. All my usual tricks can't get me in. Feels off. West, skeletons and claw markings in all the cells. Seems people were kept here after the hour. Can't let the littles see this. Northwest, too many bad memories. We need hope, not hopelessness. Barracks might run on its own. Emergency power security designed to kill us might be turned off. It's a choice between what we know will kill us and what might. For me, that's easy. Little choice, no path out. Casualties high, only one place left. I hope we can live with it.
Tuon kasawon. Kan bisa kasi nakpokas spidlias. Ari ko takis damat spidlias siwa ka. Dapat keluar ikut. Hi.
Our generator's in a pretty bad state, so we try to keep the power off in here. I'll turn it on for you, though. It'll open a door downstairs.
비오마상. 다음에 다시는 들린 것이 억시나 두시다. 심막 한박 딱도가. 사카가 수학대 스필러야 구다와 구르다 낚시쇼.
Here! Use this.
럭키들. mau tanya wajira. Cool. Damat tên đều ạc xíu nga. Spooky toki. Launching usi bunga. Ngayuan. Sisaman. Dapat tersianut. 잠깐만 지금 wakang 약 먹까. Ngon nak cinggo ni aki. Apa tu? Bingo.
I should probably turn off our defenses for you. Guess I'll see you inside.
是。오늘은 이제 낚시에 시작해. Stories is short low, kama slow. Susuka siwa.
A cryptic letter. Dear Mr. and Mrs. Ayers, we can give him back to you. Your son Jack can live. Show this message to no one. 6 weeks from the time of receiving this letter, return to the Playtime County factory. Someone will be waiting for you there. A friend.
낚시에 시작하기. 비디오를 봐. Đây đến bị số quanh. Yeah. Sẽ tích. Matun na po sige ka.
Into the safe haven from there. When I say so, we go. Go!
Video 어딘데 싹. 슈디오 마비씨.
Who are you?
아샤. 수수각 돈 때문에.
Hurry! Close it!
What's going on? What's... Kissy! Goodness. What happened?
We need to get her help! Now!
Poppy. Is that really right? Take her to one of the beds. I'll check the defenses. See if something's still outside.
Not just something. It's him! He's out there!
You brought him down? We'll talk about this later. For now, I'll make sure out there is where he stays.
Locking down safe haven. Reactivating the defenses.
Over here. Get some rest, okay? I didn't know it had gotten this bad. I need to make this right. What I said on the elevator, it's true. The orphans weren't killed during the Hour of Joy. They were taken. They're below, in the labs. The prototype's home. They are alive, but sleeping. They're with him. And he knows we're here. So, if we're going to free them and stop the prototype, we need to plan for both at the same time. The red smoke he redirected from Playcare? It's an accelerant. All it needs is high pressure and a little spark, and it ignites. The plan is this. We'll fill the foundation with smoke and line it with old mining charges. Then once you, me, and Kissy have freed the orphans, our friends here will blow this place sky high. That's our revenge. For now, go to Doey. See what he needs. I'll be here.
อ้าวกลัวตกคดลง
Is Kissy going to be okay?
yes
What's Poppy doing here? I don't know. They just let her in. Why? That's in finding a whole lot of trouble we don't need. I mean, how do we even know we can trust her this time? We don't know. So let's just be careful, especially around her new friend. Employee. Can't forget that. Shh. I think they might be listening. Hey, I'm Chicken. Wanna go? It's looking pretty bad outside. I've never been outside before. Will you come with me? Here, follow me. I'll step out first.
มีน้องจะมีวิดีโอเดียวช่วยคุณเดียวเองอ่ะ
Hiya, pal.
Trust her this time.
Got something I want to talk to you about. In here.
จัสต์มัมมิชันนี่จะวิดีโอ What the fuck is this? What happened?
I heard what you did above. What you survived. If it's all true, then we need your help. The voice out there, the one in the prison, they called him the Doctor. Dr. Harley Sawyer. He was the scientist in charge of creating us. We don't know what he is, how he's still alive, but he works with the prototype. Hunting us, starving us, making us sick and... He controls it all with an Omni hand, we think. The executives used them. It's a battery, a key, the master control to anything in the entire factory. And with it, he commands everything down here. Everything but this. Runs completely on its own grid, away from the prison. For a time, it kept us safe. But now... I need you to stop the Doctor. To take his Omni hand. We'll need it for the generator. And if you want red smoke in the Foundation, you'll need it too. The toys out there, in Safe Haven, they're my family. I understand what Poppy wants, what she believes is right. Destroy the factory, destroy him. But I ask you to consider, if we throw everything away, everyone, just to kill the prototype, how much do we waste? I know the others might believe it's right, that we should bury everything, but... let's just think about it. Head for the infirmary whenever you're ready to leave. There's sewer access inside. That's your safest path to the No Man's Land. And to him. But if you need to catch your breath, our safe haven is also yours.
First of all, dalawa kakautan ng usan ako. Second of all, takot sa kakilin. Third of all, what happened to here? Oh, çok sinangok mo. Video ko rin. Jadi bunga semua nakik situ ga. Udah finish, good. Soalnya dia mesti kena kan.
They says, fetch! Go, go! As far as you can! Why are you just standing there? You can't be here. You can't stay.
Project Overview. Safe Haven Project Goals. Create a reinforced, easily defensible central location for security staff equipped with blast doors, defenses, and multiple emergency entrances, exits. Project Objectives. Design and implement an independent electrical network including an on-site generator, wire a series of high-voltage electrical coils into the network capable of deterring intruders. Install reinforced blast doors capable of withstanding external pressure greater than 50 psi. Construct 3 to 4 exterior pathways, each with reinforced doorways and fail-safes. Secondarily, construct a discrete emergency elevator system capable of transporting key personnel from upper floors. Project Timeline. 10 to 12 months. Potential limitations, setbacks, misprioritization of overall prison construction, needs further clarity, worksite hazards, budget constraints.
So sore. Haven't been able to move for hours. Stay away from me. stomach. It hurts. Mine too. When's the last time you ate? I can't remember, honestly. Neither can I. It feels like forever. Which will kill us first, you think? The doctor or hunger? I prefer not to even think about it.
I'm okay. Really?
Did the bad men hurt you?
There's nothing more they can do to hurt me. Nothing more than what they've already done.
Something's bothering you, Poppy. Something you need to talk about?
I don't need anything tonight. Ollie, I just want to sleep.
I think there's more to this. More that you're not telling me.
There's not.
I know what you're doing, Poppy. Talking like that. Don't think for a second that I believe it. Just tell me what you're feeling. Please, just talk to me honestly.
Talk? Talk? You want me to talk?
Yes,
So who's talking to, huh? Well, talking to you? Make them stop!
No,
I'm scared, Ollie. Is that what you want to hear? I'm scared, and I'm angry, and I really don't know what to do. The bad men don't say what they want. They don't listen. They don't care how much anything hurts. It's been weeks and weeks of taking things out and putting them back in, and taking things out and putting them back in. Over and over and over. Nothing's ever gotten better, and it'll never get better. But you know what scares me more than anything, Ollie? It scares me that every time they do it, every time they peel me open, I feel it less. Less. I hate them. And I hate him. And I hate... I'm nothing now, Ollie. No one. I'm a thing. And nothing they can do to me hurts more than that.
You're not nothing to me. You're Poppy. And talking with you like this, I know it doesn't make any of what they do right. It can't. But it makes me feel like a piece of me is still here. No matter how small they try to make it. Next to all that, next to whatever they do, it means everything. I'm here, Poppy. For you, I'll always be here.
Siya tak siya sa outdoor. Pura fisaw na tas ta ko ni ko nga ta ko yak to nga sok samay pamao nang gada ay na. Tak siya sa karakter kasi mo. Dava bilksot.
Please, do you have any food?
I'm sorry, I'm new guy.
fine. So, this is what we have to work with.
Do you believe it's doable?
Sure, yeah. It's doable.
Good. Remember, our timetable here is tight. If there's anything you need from me, do not hesitate.
Actually, I've got something I want to talk to you about. It's important.
I'm listening.
My company. We've built a lot for you over the years, and believe me, we've always been accommodating. We just did the work you paid us to do.
And your point here is?
I don't like what I'm supposed to be building here. Look, the game station, whatever. It'll be fun for the kids. Underground production plants. Sure, maximize production. Makes a kind of sense. As much of any of this, I suppose. But this... what in the world would a toy company need with a prison? When my people were building Playcare, all Mr. Ludwig could talk about was how much good it could do. And all you needed was a look at the man to know he believed every word of it. I need to hear that this is still the same company. If we're gonna make this thing for you, then I need that assurance. It's a game. Something for the kids. Anything. Mr. Ritterman?
Let me give you a bit of history, friend. In 1972, you signed a contract, a legally binding piece of paper that says whatever is asked of you, you do it. We asked. You did. In 1990, you signed another, a renewal. In it, had you bothered at all to read it, you'd have found a small clause. Any and all directives will be accomplished in the appropriate time and with appropriate compensation should the project be completed to satisfaction. Your name rests at the bottom of that document, and I remember because it was the ugliest bit of cursive I've ever seen. So now you do the work, because we've given you a directive.
Mr. Ritterman, we're near the...
Yes. Yes, we are. All of us are. On a ledge. Great things are coming. Great things that will someday make a lot of people very happy. But to do so, to make that dream real, we need this. Otherwise, there's a place we're all for. Together. I'm a businessman, Mr. Silver, and I don't like to get angry. I get paid to see that things get done. And this, like everything else, will get done.
Yay, ano taksi sa kakaos. Nakoksak. Persasyak po siya selamat tamin. Nakoksido at sinap pa sinara damami. Ako wakso nga sakti ka. So, naman ito nga. Pamo naman ang anak pa ako siya. Kalpatas lang po, check. Dami ta kanu piso kaslasyo. Suwaki may punga.
I think you might be wrong, Poppy. You won.
It's the best for everyone, Doey. That no trace of this place is left. We agree to that.
I know, but us, everyone in there, we're not just things gone wrong. We're people. Can't you see that?
I can. And I'm sorry.
They look up to me, Poppy, and I've looked after them the best I could. You disappeared. You left us. We looked and we looked, and there was just nothing. No sign of you. Can you even tell me why?
I had to leave. I had no choice.
That's not good enough. We've starved down here. We've been hunted. And You're asking us to burn everything? All of us? We've made our life protecting these toys. And they've saved us in more ways than one.
Poppy, she needs you. Done what I could.
I wish there were another way, Dowie. But I just don't see it. We'll talk about this later.
What? Nagtaksi siya sa auto kami. Dapat ako nasok. Siya matukanak sa daw nga. Nakunak to kayo. Pikon ako nang nakpasir-sir to. Ano ba yung kasi pisak pa siya? Ito na what siya. Sudah tak meropak satu dada. Nó này rồi thì bị sọt. Cho tiền. Fa cho cái sặc ta cái số đặc sẽ ta sặc chín điệp ta cái bớt Gava spilia sa kana piso ka seswa mabiti ako rin biti ako rin siya na second game.
After a brief interruption, we've successfully extracted subject 1322, specifically 1322B, from the home sweet home. Before said interruption, I attempted to detail the subject's condition and overview the suitability of one Kevin Barnes in relation to Project Dowie. The neural abnormalities noted in Dr. Newman's report are detailed in connection to behavioral issues demonstrated within play care. Trouble getting along with others, aggressive and often confrontational social tendencies, and an otherwise combative nature clearly relay that Kevin is, put simply, a problem child. What friends he does have, he's reported to have attacked in moments of intense play. These tendencies raise concerns. The subject excels in all physical tests. Reflexes, reaction time, and mental fortitude all tested well above average in game station examinations. So, in spite of said concerns, in Dr. Sawyer's eyes, Kevin is ideal for the project. However, if his use in this particular experiment is to move forward, we need to ensure we're not creating a time bomb just as we've begun stabilizing the entire project. If we're to create an experiment that can fulfill multiple assigned roles, we can't allow any single consciousness to throw the others off. Even a simple misregulation of emotions means we have 900 pounds of dough that can shift however it pleases and can turn on even those it trusts, simply because it was overwhelmed by a stray feeling. Regardless, Sawyer's word is law, and subjects 1322A and C are to be gathered for processing first thing tomorrow morning. Thus, all we can do is plan our safeguards accordingly. Yes, that's all we can do.
Yes, wala tayong hindi ka to. Video ko rin, napinapag.
Hiya there! I'm Joey. I can be anything you need.
Video ko rin, napinapag. Chakawa pagu.
Good thing I have your imagination to give me shape. I can never make up my mind. When you want a little fun, stretch around, play around, fun. There's only one thing you need. Hiya there!
Hiya
I'm
there.
Joey. I can be anything you need.
Telephone.
Hey, can you hear me? There's something. When you get the Omni... Hopefully, it's nothing. Might not be...
Wondering the cocoa knows that's.
Reconnaissance report. 110.05 prototypes been finding ways past the traps, don't know how. Have to keep changing the setups to keep him away. He was right outside the door last night just staring and tapping at the wall. All I can think about since is that clanking of metal, those spidery legs. That face. We've double checked every entrance, made sure this place is good and locked down. Still, who knows how long these defenses will last. We're completely surrounded now, all sides, even above and below. Nowhere left to run to, no place left to hide. End of the line.
Positive yun, yak pa sing unak po man. Nung dumi kay matakak po nga. Nakangayos yun. Hi, Prow! How are you today? Hindi lang po. Diba? Simingo. Magkasaon na ito custom. Diba? Magkakayan ng ngok. Nu sa kautong pisturi sima piva. Una video. Darciasa. Shuri kanui diom yang dak bunga. Kemana aku bangun nak? Aku nak urus. No, naman na. Dava. Masih unis ya, masa kau kalah. Amai. Bagus. Bang, bang. If you have piano, clap your hands. Shut up. Okay, pass it down. Saasivittorto naaniaqtaarerporasit qinisinaarsnappi sinarlarsmassista masipaa tillun takus bye bye.